Right, next up is Omars Auto Repair. If we zoom into the far southwest of the map here by Sawa Village, on the west side you'll see these 4 buildings. What we're looking for is this one here. This is Omars Auto Repair. This area of the map is usually very well populated with AI, especially late game, so keep your eyes open. So running across and coming into this partly sunken building, entering right here, you'll see that in this main section, we have a door back here. This is Omars Auto Repair. Once again, it's hidden away in the back of this building here, so when you get inside, come into this office. We're right on the far southeast side of this building, very simple to get to, though a little bit hidden away. On top of this, if you come in through the open garage door here, directly opposite you is another door that leads to the same place. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Techno here with Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!